I have been bouncing around between Webull and TradingView over the past few weeks, just trying to see how each one actually works in real trading scenarios. They both get talked about a lot, but they serve pretty different purposes. So if you're trying to pick one, here's a straight up breakdown of what you're getting. So first is their core differences, which is Webull is for a brokerage, meaning you can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and options directly. And TradingView is a charting and analysis platform. You don't trade directly unless you connect to a supported broker. Webull isn't any one of them, by the way. And then in terms of user interface and tools, Webull is a clean and mobile-first design, good enough charts with popular indicators and drawing tools. And it is also great for placing trades fast, checking portfolios, or managing options. And TradingView, on the other hand, hands down the best charting tool out there. Way more customizable indicators, trading drawing tools, backtesting, and even social sharing of trade ideas. You also get real-time data, multiple time frames, PineScript for custom strategies. So now in terms of pricing and access, Webull is 100% free to use. You just need to open a brokerage account. And TradingView, on the other hand, it has a free plan available, but most serious features like multiple charts per layout, more indicators, faster data come with paid plans, starting with Essential at $13.19 per month. That is the annual rate. But if you go for the monthly one, it will be $16.95 per month. So now, just a quick verdict. So who is this for? Who is Webull and TradingView for? So if you'd want a free, easy trading platform to place real trades, then Webull is the way to go. But if you are all about charting, testing strategies, or doing technical analysis, then TradingView wins by a mile. A lot of traders actually use both a chart on TradingView, then you trade on Webull. So you could also do that combination. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope the infos have been helpful to you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.